Hello everyone and welcome to No Specialties Creations. In today's video, I will be showing you how I created this beautiful entryway organizer with mirrors. For this project, you will need 3 mirrors, 1 wooden family sign with base, 1 frame wood board, and 2 strips of wood. We will first work on the wood board by removing the labels and spraying it black and setting it aside to dry. Next, we will take the 2 strips of wood, apply some wood glue to it to stick them together. Now I will add a nail to each end of the strip to hold the pieces together. I also spray painted the strips of wood that I stuck together with the wood glue, and now I will be attaching it to the base of the frame wood board to form a small shelf. I will also be putting nails in there to secure it very firmly. When I was done, I spray painted the entire thing, giving it another coat so everything looks good. Now I will be applying the mirrors on the wood board, leaving spaces around all the edges. I will be removing the little stumps to the back of the mirror so I can apply the glue directly to the back of the mirror so it could stick firmly. After positioning the glued mirror to the wood, I set it aside to dry for about an hour. While the mirrors were drying, I decided to spray the family sign in gold just to give the project a little color. Now I'm trying different positions to see which way the family sign would look better on the wood board. Should I put it flush to the back or should I put it flush to the front? And then I would apply some wood glue to it to hold it down. Before I stuck the wood sign to the wood frame, I realized that I needed some measurements. just to make sure that it is centered properly. So I measured the wood frame. I measured the family sign. And then applied some glue and positioned the sign flush to the back. Now it's time to put the hooks. I've already measured the frame board and marked down the spots where I'm going to be positioning those hooks. I will also be using a drill bit to bore holes in the wood, so when I use the screwdriver I won't have difficulty in putting those screws. Now I'll be adding my second screw on my first hook, and when I'm done with that I will be doing the same thing for the 3 other hooks. It's beautiful, isn't it? So now I'm going to be adding some hanging hooks to the back so I can hang it up on the wall. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.